How do I start juicing? The simple answer is you just start. Begin by picking out a few favorite vegetables or fruits, wash them thoroughly, chop them up, and then just experiment with different variations to see how you like it. Today I just happened to have some parsley growing in the yard. I bought some organic apples and kiwis, and I picked the kale and chard from my yard. So we'll see how this tastes. I have a Omega juicer and I love it. I've had it for years. This thing is amazing. It's a little workhorse. Works really well for me. And part of the secret to juicing is to vary, put in soft items and then your harder items. Carrots and celery are great for pushing the greens through. Greens tend to get stuck. So the best way is to just alternate soft items, hard items, and then just go for it. A little pusher here, you can push it down. Sometimes it does take a little effort. Green apples tend to be a little